The financial services industry is in the midst of significant disruption, led by empowered digital consumers and increasingly competitive market players. These new competitive forces and consumer preferences are placing increased urgency on financial services firms to leverage their most strategic asset, data. It's everywhere, often housed in static reports, just sitting there, across different departmental silos, unwieldy and unmanageable. But access to this information and the ability to work with it to gain crucial insights and make the right decisions are a constant challenge for today's financial services firms. How do banking executives understand customer preferences when several departments are accessing relevant customer data, but all coming to different conclusions? And at the investment bank, how does the risk manager gain the added edge as she leverages all available data to monitor global exposures and formulate correct strategies? How can the insurance claims department do a better job of detecting fraud when there's no way to bring together multiple information sources from the field and from within the home office into a single unified view? These challenges and many more have been solved by Qlik's 39,000-plus customers worldwide, including 47 of the top 50 financial services firms listed in the Forbes 2000 for the Americas, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. With Qlik's modern analytics platform, you can link departments, obtain a holistic view of your customers, remove end-to-end friction, and embed analytic capabilities deep inside your entire organization so all key managers can make better decisions faster. It's the way to extend analytics from the privileged few in your organization, the data scientists and back-office quant specialists, and give it to the many. Qlik empowers users in every department by providing them with access to relevant and timely information from a wide array of sources, but makes it all visible in a single place so they can see new relationships and gather insights in ways that weren't possible before. Like the top 10 global retail bank that used Qlik to get a consolidated view of its customers' banking behaviors and uncovered the key to generating over $1 billion in new deposits as part of its cross-sell strategy. Or the top 25 U.S. insurer that saved $26 million in fraud claims by using Qlik to drill down into loss ratio data, make sense of complex information from many sources, and determine whether claims were based on fact or fiction. There's also the wealth management firm that used Qlik's flexibility to put an end to its reliance on static spreadsheet printouts and emails and all the manual work that entailed. Advisors were freed up to bring in more clients, and staff productivity increased by 96%. What enables Qlik to do all this when other solutions can't? In competitor solutions, you're forced to predefine your questions so you can prep the data into a single hierarchical dataset. That's limiting and inevitably gives you only part of the story. But with Qlik, instead of a hierarchical approach, every data point is associated with every other data point, so it's all tied together, and you see hidden insights other tools will miss. Rather than being constrained by a rigid solution, you can truly explore your data and get answers to questions you didn't even know to ask, and that makes all the difference. Qlik is changing financial services. It's making it possible to see the whole story that lives within your data, and to achieving even greater levels of success.